Hi guys, how are you? Alright, so I am bringing you my latest junk journal, and this is so totally different from what I'm used to, but I wanted to make something different outside of the box, and I fell in love with this cover when I saw it. I don't know, it's so old. I think this was from the early 1900s, and the spine, as you can see, it was I don't know, worn kind of, but I loved the gilded lettering, and I don't know, I just loved the way it looked. I loved how it was, like, see how it's got that ridge all around it, and then I love this embossing in the back. Something about it I just loved. So I decided that I wanted to do something where I'm not going to alter the cover at all. So this is what I came up with. Let me get in frame here. And so I did a hidden spine. It's a hollow back binding, and the only thing I did to this front cover was just to add a little interest. I just put a little door handle, a metal door handle. I just liked the way that looked, and that is all I did. I added 4 metal corners because the corners were really bad, so I just wanted to add that extra protection. So that I did do. It's got a nice little weight to it, and it just feels so good in the hands. So I will show you what it looks like inside. It is hardcover. So go inside, and it looks like this. And I used the collection called Giorgiana from Screech Owl Studio. Love this collection. It's so pretty. The journal has 2 signatures, 122 pages, I believe, front and back. That's not counting the half sheets or the bags or anything. I'm just counting the full pages. So it's got the fabric in the spine. I did reinforce the spine really well with fabric, Tyvek, and everything. And inside I have a little pocket. This is one of the embossed cards that Aaliyah sent me. Thank you, Aaliyah, in her Happy Mail. And I just put like a little belly band stitched onto it, just from the collection to add some interest. But look at this collection, how gorgeous. So then I have some crochet here, some trim here on this side. I feel like I'm crooked. Let me see if I could get this the right way. Okay. And then I have the journaling card. It's been backed onto coffee dyed paper. Everything has been with coffee dyed paper. And then my little note from the bookmaker. The pages, the lace have been stitched onto the edges. And then I have these cards that I just added here. Here's a little pocket. And I have a little vintage playing card here that I added, and then that's from the collection. And that pocket's been stitched, but it's been stitched and then glued. And graph paper and tracing paper. This is from a vintage notebook that I found at an estate sale. I took one of my bags and I folded it to make a pocket, and this is a little vintage card that I found at an estate sale, and I just included it in there. Put crochet here. And did I put anything in here? Oh, okay, yes. This is another little vintage card that I found at an estate sale. Put that in there. That's extra journaling. In the back of that bag, I have another pocket. Isn't that beautiful? Music, and this is vintage graph. That paper is so gorgeous. Love it. And then we have Edith Holden. Some lined paper that's been coffee dyed. And then this is one of the belly bands, stitching, and another journaling card. And then this is from the kit, this grid paper. Then I have here a little collage with a little butterfly applique and fibers. And this just flips down. And then this is for extra journaling. That just gets tucked right in there. Look at how gorgeous. And then I have some lavender lace here, and then I just use it as a tuck. And that's stitched onto coffee dyed paper. This is from that Traveler's Diary that I had found at I think it was an estate sale from the 60s. And then I have a little envelope here, and I just have some crochet trim there. And I don't know if you guys can see, but this has like an old house. It's like trees in the house on the envelope. It's so pretty. Look how pretty that paper is. Lots of space for journaling. More Edith Holden. This is an altered guest check, and I just have here two little vintage playing cards, and this is the author's game, and these are in my Etsy shop in a pack of I think 12. And this other one, these are fun, so I just tucked those in there. And then I attached it with some lace so you don't lose the page. You can still journal there. And this has some lace down here, stitching all around. Look how gorgeous. Here I have a belly band, stitching on the top and bottom, and I made a little booklet here. And I left this open. You could tuck something in it. And it just has coffee paper. So that goes in there. And here is another little for journaling. It's just nice paper. And that goes in this little bag. And then on this side, you have, I just did some stamping on this index card, and then a little tag from the kit. I just added a little bow there and some lace, distressed the back of that, and a little Norman Rockwell playing card. These are also in my shop. And here is a little pocket, and there's nothing in these little envelopes, left them open, you can put anything in there. And then here is another one of the index cards that Aaliyah sent me, and I just ripped it and distressed it even more, and that just holds this other little tag. Super cute. It goes in there. And then here we have more trim. This one is in pink. And it holds these 2 cards. Beautiful. I love the images of this kit. Gorgeous. This has lines. Here I just, in the back of this first signature, have a little applique butterfly, and then it's magnetized to keep it closed, but it's a little booklet. I love adding these to journals. Here's the beginning of the second signature, and I have more lace here. Here's another pocket. I just added a little circle there and some trim here. And we have another little tag. Super cute. More Edith Holden. Another pocket and another playing card. These are also in my shop. And in this bag, what do I have in here? Oh, just little pages that I found at another estate sale. Little for extra little notes. And in this one, you have another little envelope. Little index card that I just did some random stamping on. Another pocket. So pretty. Little side tuck. Oh my god, I lost my words for a second. And here is a Crafty Irina little pocket that goes in here. And then got 2 more. And then this cute little tag with a little, love these little satin bows. So this one goes in there, this one goes in there, and then I have some trim here, and this flips open. You can do some more journaling there. More music. This is some writing parchment paper. Here's another little flip collage with an applique butterfly. And more of that coffee background paper for extra journaling. And here is another pink trim. And these 2 journaling cards. Another little envelope, nothing in it. And here is another little tag. And another pocket. Look at her face. So cute. I love these images. Here's another little booklet. And again, it's open so you could fit something in it. Let me show you. See? And it's just got papers. That goes right in there. And then here we have another index card with another little journaling tag and another Norman Rockwell, but this one's pink. Not Norman Rockwell. It's another vintage playing card. And I also have that one in the shop. And what did I add in here? Oh, a couple more of those notes. Here I have a little crochet trim here, and I just stitched it onto the page, and you have space for extra journaling here. And this paper is really nice. Edith Holden. And here is a little index card, more crochet trim. And here's another envelope, flips to the side, and in here I have another card for extra journaling. And here is another couple of little tags. And that is the back. And in the back I put one of my antique postcards. And this one is from, you know what? 1910 or 1911, something like that. I don't know. But this is one of my antique, one of my antique postcards. So pretty. And that is the back with another pocket. And that is the journal. Love it. I hope you guys like it too, guys. I am working so hard on my Christmas journals, and I'm trying to keep at least one journal a week in my shop. Believe it or not, I'm still making ephemera. I got all my kits cut up, and I'm making ephemera for all my journals. I want to get all the ephemera done so that when I start putting my journals together, I have all my ephemera ready to go. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys like this little journal. It's so cute, I think. Very different. So yeah, if you guys are interested, it'll be listed in my Etsy shop. And yeah, that is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.